Let me go to the side door.
You reverse.
That comes right.
Hold up. Here come the race.
Here, home. Here, come on, get you some Z. You want some? Hold your head back up. And let me pour it in your mouth. Here, back up. No, back up. Back up.
Ronnie. Did you get that?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, hostile champ.
Look at that tiny little one towards the back.
Et quoi les femelles aussi se battent?
Ça va être vraiment chaud. Allez. En direct, hein?
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my.
I know.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Where is it?
Come ça?
Hello. This is crazy. Can you believe this?
Oh my god, she's alive chasing us! Oh, oh no!
Stop, go faster. And the horses go faster.
Come on, it's coming! It's coming, come on!
Go, go, go.
Speed up!
Very goofy guy. Behind us.
Speed up!
Right here, come on.
Quickly, go, go, go.
Oh, they're alive chasing us! Oh.
Yeah, go through and we're on. These guys are. Okay, go.
Yes, go, go, go. He's slowing down. Oh, I'm so scared. Jesus Christ.
Do you take pictures, right?
I'm taking video.
Want me to take video?
Jesus Christ.
Don't put it on, please. Don't go when he goes up, right? No, when he goes up. What is down there? What is?
They're like, oh.
Blowing the tire.
He blew up our tire.
The tire out, right?
Yep. He bit it.
Yeah, you fucking attacked it.
There's like so many looking at our car. They think we're the enemy.
Oh my god.
Everybody at the entrance, move!
Yo!
What the?
Hello. How lovely to see you. Oh, look at the wounds on the leg. I think this one's the one that we've seen previously, this lioness. She looks like she's healing, though. Look at them all just coming down. Apparently they've been looking at impala for the last little while, so they're hungry. They're definitely in sort of alert hunting mode. Wow. Hello, Talamatis. So I'm just gonna sit really still and stationary. I'm gonna keep talking. This boy's getting extremely big, aren't you, boy? They're having a good old smell of the car. There's nothing quite like lions walking past you, that's for sure.
We're not gonna die. I'm not gonna. It wouldn't be my fault. That's not my fault. What you doing? What? Oh, you're trying to get these horrible people in here. You're saying to calm out. Come here. No, get up. Let him around. Start your car. He's gonna fight. He'll murder it. Ay. Okay, wait. If you're happy, he's gonna take it. Okay, go. Take your car. Just keep going. Вейте.
Oh. He bit my... Give him the phone. He bit my titty.
Hello, dude. Yeah, it doesn't hurt that much. Look, even if I let him bite my finger, here, look at my finger. Ow! Ow! Okay, dude, gentle.
Don't worry. That's a very lucky photo. Don't worry. Sure. Don't be hasty.
Oh, yes, that's what you really want. No. What's with those teeth?
Those are
Oh,
serious
you're gonna
teeth.
bite me, aren't you? Don't you do They do spit, and he just did. They do spit, and it spit right in my eyes.
Stay dead still, guys.
¡Dale! ¡Ya vamos a andar! Yo lo dejé ver. Me lo paso ahorita.
We ain't got nothing.
Oh my God.
What's up, bro?
Get out my purse. Can we go?
What's going on?
I'm not paying. Where's the man? Oh my goodness, you guys are so nice.
You reverse.
That got my right.
Here come the race.
It's dangerous.
Oh my gosh.
He's gonna break the other.
There we go.
Hey.
Here he comes. Oh.
You guys, I don't like this at all.
But this one takes the cake.